Welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I am going to demonstrate on how to access the details view of an account and to redirect to the integrated projects of the account. The details view of the account can be accessed by simply clicking on the required account from the landing page. The details view page is an all-in-one screen for the user to view the particulars of an account. During project creation, the projects can be mapped to an existing account. In order to redirect to the integrated projects of an account, the user can click on the Projects tab within the Details view of the account. Once done, the integrated projects are listed. The user can select the required project and the user is redirected to the overview page of the particular projects. This is how the user can access the integrated projects of an account through the account details view. Thank you for watching.